Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious and fluffy akara with bean flour. Lots of people complain about their akara coming out like buns or not looking like akara, but with this recipe you will get it right. So in a bowl you go in with your bean flour, the quantity you need, and then you mix with warm water, not hot water and not cold water, but warm water. So while mixing, you add in your water slowly so you can be able to get the consistency you want. We don't want it too thick and we don't want it too watery. So after mixing, you cover with a cling film and then you leave it to rest for 30 minutes. I'll really suggest letting it rest for 30 minutes. So while that is resting, you can go in and grind your pepper and your onions. Lots of people use crayfish and maggi and other stuff, but I only use onions, pepper and salt for this recipe. So after grinding, you bring out your bean flour, you turn it a little bit to remove air bubbles, and then you go in with your pepper mixture and your salt. Now this is where it gets interesting. So if you have a hand mixer, please go in with your hand mixer. Yes, but if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use your wooden spoon to turn, just as long as you mix it properly. Just mix it very well. Alright, so you either use your hand mixer if you've got one, but if you don't, just use your wooden spoon to turn it. Mixture is very fluffy, and then this is it after turning, after mixing. So now guys, you put your oil in a pan. Put enough oil in the pan, okay? And we don't want the oil too hot. We just want it nicely warm enough for the food. So here we go in with our bean flour mixture. We put it in and make sure it's floating. We don't want it sinking to the bottom. So you fry one side and then you turn the other side to fry, just so they will all have that golden color, and so they can be able to fry on the inside too. We don't want the inside to be undone while the outside is done. Alright, so you just turn it around and go in like that until you've got this golden color, which means everything is okay. So you now put it in a sieve so that excess oil, so that all the excess oil can come out from the akara. So you go in with your next batch, just use the same step. You fry one side and then you turn it over and fry the other side until all the sides are equally fried. So here it is guys, our akara is ready to be eaten. You can have this akara on Saturday morning, with your pap, with your custard. It's a very wonderful meal. Thanks for watching. Bye.